The Lone Tree Nature Preserve is a 567-acre ranch located in the hills above Anderson Valley. It includes broad ridgetops and gentle to steep hillsides. There are southwest-facing meadows with exceptional views overlooking Anderson Valley and distant mountain ridges, as well as northeast-facing hillsides that are heavily wooded with mostly Douglas fir timber. Wildlife abounds with all the forest creatures of the North Coast. There is a lovely pond that attracts aquatic wildlife and is pleasing to the eye. For your recreational enjoyment, there is an older rustic cabin on the land that, albeit with some repairs and upgrades, could be a place to relax in the wilderness. There's a drilled well for water and plenty of sunshine for solar development. This ranch is about 30 minutes from the village of Boonville, but effectively in the wilderness, with rock roads and no conventional utilities. The ranch has a natural beauty that takes your breath away and allows you to leave the hustle and bustle of daily life behind. The ranch has a conservation easement that ensures the preservation of watersheds, forests, and meadows in their natural state on into eternity. While there are restrictions on use, a total of 15 acres can be built upon and utilized as a homestead or getaway. Come and enjoy the old roads, hiking trails, beautiful vistas, and wildlife of the Lone Tree Nature Preserve. Put out your game cameras, collect mushrooms, or swim in the pond on a hot day. This is a very large ranch priced reasonably for your recreational or homesteading enjoyment.